look who's outside.
What?
So look who's outside.
Hi. A little more snow. I get to wear my new boots, which I haven't worn. Look at it. I'm ready. I'm ready. Hi, everybody. Merry Christmas. We're out here in the snow.
Winter exercise.
Waiting.
Take 2.
Yep, waiting for our instructor to trudge her way through the 14 inches of snow.
What's 14? 12. Come on.
You've got to measure thing, it's enough.
I measured 12.
No, I measured 14. Here she comes.
Woo! I had to walk my way over here.
She fought her way through snow.
You got this working this time?
I hope so. Okay. Welcome everybody back. Welcome back everybody. It's been a while since I had the parents on the film.
Yeah.
It's been since summertime of last year. So let's see what they've been up to with their exercises. Let's take the broom. My mom will show you the baby version of doing it. I'm going to demonstrate first, and then my father is going to take over. So you're all outside with a broom, sweeping, right? So take your broom, arm straight ahead, bring your knee up towards the broom and take the foot down. So bring the knee up, hold, and then take it down. Do about 5 on each side. Nice and slow. Okay? Here you go, Dad. Show us how it's done. Come off the wall, please. No cheating. There you go. See, at the pool, they used to cheat, and I didn't know it until later, but they're both cheating.
We don't cheat.
So do one leg at a time. Let's come back down, both feet on the ground. Stand up tall. Engage the core. Take a breath in and out.
Okay.
Slowly bring up the right knee.
Ready to go.
As far as you can.
Ready to go. I'm bringing up the right knee.
You're bringing up the right knee.
The right knee's coming up.
I
The
see
right
it.
knee
I
is
see it
coming up.
coming up. Come on. There
Coming
you go.
up.
Hold.
Oh, the right knee.
And then take it down.
Well, the ground is crooked and frozen. What can I tell you?
Try the other side. Bring the left knee up. Nice and slow.
Oh, I see what happens. You got to have more balance with the broom. There you go.
Mom, aren't you doing your version?
See?
Oh, I'm just watching the
So do another one. Nice and slow. Hold. Breathe.
Nobody
Take it
thinks
down.
to give me
Do the left side. Hold. Take it down. All right.
How's that?
All right. So that was that one. And now that they got the knee and the thigh warmed up and the hip, we're going to place the broom on the floor, on the ground, on the snow. And then you're going to do 1 foot over tap, up and over, and use your abdominals and step. Okay?
We need music.
There will be music. Here, I'll bring it a little closer to you. There you
Don't
Now
let them
try it.
fall over that.
go. Now try it.
And a 1 and a 2
Okay, fix my coat.
and a 1.
How many times you do it?
Hands on hips.
Oh, hands on hips.
Hands on hips. Use your core. There you go. Very nice.
And a
Then
1.
take down. You got to do the other side.
1 and a 2.
Nice and slow.
And a
Very
1
nice and
and
slow.
a
Left
2.
foot up and over.
I
Knee
tell you,
up.
Sign out for the
and over.
Rockettes.
I think it's
Up
easier
and up.
shoveling snow than doing this.
Okay.
Mhm.
So that's a pretty good warm up to do, right?
Yeah.
All right. So you still got your broom. So let's do some arm stuff. So what you're going to do is go push the broom out, up and over, and tip over to the side and push out. Come back up, broom up and over to the other side, push out. And then come back and push it towards the camera and down. What are you doing? All right. Push out, up and over, tip to the left, push out. Don't hit Mom. Come back, push up, push up, and over to the right. Push out. Come back and push towards the camera. Good. And then take it down.
Is this where
Take
we
it down.
touch our toes?
You with the touching the toes
All right.
routine.
And then we'll do a little feet apart, a little swing and tap, collarbone, lower back after all that. Swing and tap, swing and tap.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I'm ready.
Now
ready.
they like to touch their toes for some reason. Take
I'm
a
ready.
breath in, hands on hips, soft knees. Tip the chin into the chest and fold over slowly. Ground those feet and let the hands drop. Touch your toes. And then slowly come back up. What are you doing, Mom? Okay, enough.
Mother's getting carried
I
away.
see that. Can you do it again? Come back up.
Oh, this is good for your balance and core.
All right, and we'll finish it up with the famous tree. So right foot into the left,
Oh, you did that.
hands are on the hips, look forward, stand up tall.
Stand up tall.
You can keep your hands on your hips if you like, or bring the arms up into a V shape. Very nice.
Very, very nice.
My tree is blowing in the wind.
Let's do the other side. Bring your left foot in. Hands on hips. Engage the core. Find that focal point. Breathe. Keep the hands on the hips if you like, or bring the arms up.
Whee. And then you can
Breathe.
sway.
And then take it down. Hands on hips. Take the foot down.
Kid stretches like nobody else can stretch, let me tell you.
All right,
My tree
folks.
was
That was a
wiggling in the
mini
wind.
workout with the parents. Now it's time for them to go take a nap.
And get a brandy.
Nap
get a brandy.
time.
Stay tuned for the
Medicinal.
next video. We'll continue
I hope
outdoors.
that took this time.
Me too. Bye,
Bye-bye.
everybody.
Bye-bye.
See you soon. Hopefully when there's grass on the ground.
Well, I finally got snow. After how many years of filming, I finally have snow. And there's plenty of it this time. This was a Christmas snowstorm. There's about 12 inches here. I'm at the back of the cabin and we're shoveling ourselves out.
That is ugly. But it might look good on
But my father's here to tell me it's ugly.
the back part is
Okay.
falling apart.
All right.
But I bet you it's gonna look good on camera.
Okay.
No, no.
No?
You're
Go.
the
Action.
new producer.
Give you water arms. To the left shoulder. 1, 2, 3. Over your left. 2, 3. Over your left.
Are you done now?
Broom technology to the top.
Let me show you how it's really done. Watch out.
She makes me laugh. It's not.
Ah!
What are you, a cheerleader or a soldier?
I was able to do
That's
that.
twirling.
Yeah, but watch.
That
Can
has-
you do that?
I can do it
Let's see you
backwards.
do that. Go ahead. You can't do that.
It was a little slippery, that's all, but I can do everything.
All right, so let's try. We have the broom.
Broom.
Okay. So, exercises in a snowstorm. Put your broom down. Stand forward, hands on hips. And 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. And then 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. What are you doing behind me?
I'm
Come
just.
All right, we'll do. Go ahead. Go ahead, big shot.
Hands on hips and a 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2. See, I can do 2 and a 3 and a 1 and a 2.